This is the Craftsman Serpentine belt tool. It came wrapped in plastic. This is what you get: the main bar and extension bar. Here is the front. Here is the back with some instructions. You select your socket, you insert it on the idler pulley, and rotate it to release tension. It has a full lifetime warranty. The main bar is 23 inches and the extension is 9 inches. Let's open it up. Here is the handle. This is the 3/8 driver on the main bar. Here is a 3/8 inch 14mm socket. It's held on really good. Here is the extension with the 1/2 inch driver. You insert it here and you can change the angle. Here's a close-up of the drivers. Here's a close-up of the welds on the back. In order to get the bar straight up and down at 12 o'clock, I had to remove the socket, turn it, and reinsert it. This tool makes this job very easy to do. The belt got caught here, but I just had to push the bar back to give me space to move the belt off. It's an awesome tool. I love it. I bought this tool because the 2-wrench method of removing the belt takes a lot of work when the belt is tight. If you're looking for a serpentine belt tool, check out this Craftsman.